Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have a Wonderswan, the original, not the color, the crystal. It has a little bit of water damage. The screen works, plays games, and everything. So, gonna replace it with an IPS screen, backlit, of course, and see if I can play a game or not. But right now it works fine, I guess. Sound comes out, I can see it scrolls through screens, and yeah, let's get into it. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. Okay, so today I got a Wonderswan. Let's turn it on. See if it actually turns on. Doesn't look that good. Wait, why is it not? Alright, so we have a Wonderswan. Turns on, plays. Screen's pretty damaged, great. Sound works, so I only need to get a new screen in. Alright. Anyway, that's what it is. These things are about the same time as a Game Boy Color, 1995, 6. Anyway, so let's get the game out. And then these are all Torx 7s. Screws. Ooh, lucky 7. So that comes right out. Got just 3 caps, 3 surface caps. Looks like they've got a proprietary CPU. This looks like the cable to the front. This is very, ooh, this looks almost exactly like a Game Boy one. Battery style is kind of interesting for sure. And then, yeah, so the screen looks pretty damaged as well. There's just 4 little rubber pads on the back here. And so let's get that cable out so we can get a better look at it. So, yeah, looks a little damaged. The front screen, delaminated. Looks like they use a kind of a polarizer film on there. That one got stuck on there as well. Okay. Let's see here. I'm just gonna end up washing this in my little soap bath, front and back, because gotta replace the screen anyway. So might as well get it nice and clean, refreshed. How's this new style look? Yeah, it's just a flat white. I do like the silver more, but yeah, it'll be alright. How can I get this polarizer film off? There we go. So here's that film. So toss that in the trash. And then this just comes right out. This feels like, oh yeah, that's definitely glass. That feels a whole lot nicer than that plastic garbage. All right, well, let's get some goo going on a bygone. Yeah, it feels like all that plasticky adhesive's gone. At least on that side, I didn't get the back side of it. Oh man. Oh, it's like another plastic layer underneath. Alright, yeah, that's nice. Another piece of lens. That just is not coming off, and it's going to be really hard to get it off without scratching the plastic underneath. I guess it doesn't matter because the lens film is going to go over it. Or the lens, so that should be good. Alright, well, I'm gonna go wash this now. This is the old one. So let's just clean out the switches. Okay. Get some of the battery contact cleaner on there. Get the contrast wheel in there as well. And then just let it drip down so it doesn't saturate in any spots that it doesn't need to be in. And then let's grab our little Q-tip and use some more deoxit on some of this stuff. Get that out of the way. Okay. Do need to put some Kapton tape on there. So let's do that real quick. Just to give me a now we got the back all straightened out. No, don't need that anyway. And then we need to take some of this double-sided tape. Oh, right, need to do it on the case front. Okay, well, yeah, let's go clean it off. And then let's get screen prepped. They want the insides taped up. Good enough, whatever. That just does not want to adhere. And it's probably really old solder. Let's get some new stuff on there. Let it flow. Alright. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Cool. There's that. This thing again. There we go. Just get this on now so I don't have as much chance to leave fingerprints. I'm gonna get some gloves. Hopefully that'll reduce my finger smudging chances. Dang it. Always have a little bit of residue in there. Yeah, you can see the tape there and all that. That sucks. Where's my spudger? Let's go fix it real quick. Where'd all my spudgers go? It's just like constantly in a state of just no clue where anything is. I'll say that's good enough. Ooh, what kind of chip is on there? Oh, they don't even have a model number on there. It is just a blank chip. Interesting. Probably an ESP32. To be quite honest. No, it's a BGA. No, it's not. It's not a BGA. It's a QFM56. Yeah, it's probably an ESP32. They're probably trying to be all clever and save it all. And again, there's no crystal on there, so I don't know. A little bit of flux. So I don't know when this thing was made. It's probably been a while, so we'll get that old oxide off of there. Alright, now it's soldering the ground. That, why is... Wow, just notice it says ground and power, so there we go. Well, I probably should have him going inwards so he hides a little better. Alright, and then it comes down. Oh, nice, sweet. That's basically like color, huh? All right.